Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm really excited to have Gary here to talk about some new releases for 2022.
Yeah, thanks for having me. So this year we've launched more of our Seastar collection. So Seastar launched 2 years ago, and at the time we launched the Seastar 1000, which was automatic, just 3-4 references. Since then it's expanded and expanded. Now we have black IP versions, we have quartz versions, we have so many different versions. It's turned into one of the biggest collections and one of the best collections in the whole line that we have. This year we've just launched 2 new versions of the Seastar 2000, and Seastar 2000 launched with 3 different colorways just late last year, and this month, now February, we're launching just these 2 here. So there's a black IP version, which is here shown on this blue band with a beautiful blue dial. You can see the kind of wave pattern, ocean wave going through the blue of the actual dial. And it's still using the Powermatic 80 movement on there as well, so you're going to get 80 hours power reserve. The one thing I would note about the Seastar 2000 is the case size. So this is a 46mm case, so it's a big case, and that's because with this sort of depth rating down to 2,000 meters, it's gonna need a bigger crystal, a bigger crown. Just the steel itself has to be more robust to be able to take those sorts of pressures. Right. The thickness of the case as well is just over 16 mil. And you can see here with the detail there's the helium release valve in the side of the case as well. So as with all of the automatics, that was the major difference between an automatic and a quartz in Seastar, is that the bezel was ceramic, and you can see the way it shines there, you know, it just really pops. Right. So with that's Seastar 2000, that's, as I say, launched now. We are also launching a ladies version, and ladies is going to be in quartz only just for now. So at the moment, it'll be launching in the blue. Again, this kind of like matching two-tone black to gold. And then there'll be a white version.
And I noticed there is additional straps for it.
There is.
There's an easy spring release on the bracelet.
Exactly. So with the white version, it comes with an extra strap, the white strap there. And in the actual case back here, you can just trigger release, and that will take the bracelet off, and it will have the same spring bar system on the actual rubber strap that comes with it. So you can wear it on a bracelet, you can wear it on the rubber strap, depends on what sort of activity you're doing, that's available for you.
It looks really good.
Yeah, it's beautiful, really strong pop.
The case size?
Case size in this is 36 mil.
36 mil?
36 mil.
I feel it's just right.
It is.
It's not too big, not too small.
Exactly, and with the blue in particular, you know, that could be worn by a man or a woman, you know, it doesn't have to be lady specific. Right. The blue there, really strong, bright blue on that as well. Yeah. The blue retails coming in at $500 Canadian. The two-tone, you're at $525, and then the white, because it comes with the extra strap, you're up at $550.
Yeah, the bezel is...
The bezel is not ceramic in this. Okay. It's a steel bezel in that. So that again is the kind of the same difference between the quartz and the automatic.
So I guess later on this year they probably roll out with the automatic version.
You'll have to stay tuned for the next video to find out.
For sure. So for those who do want to come check it out, it is releasing very soon. For more information, you could come to the store or visit our website at www.christinejoes.com. Thank you again, Gary, for coming, and I really look forward to see some other new watches coming soon.
Great. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.